Guys, we're back in the shop again. Today we're working on the old Daliy driver, my 01 Suburban. And I'm just going to do an oil change with it, give it just a general service. And I've got some speakers to put in it and some custom speaker pods from customspeakerpods.com. And I've got the CT Sounds Miso 6.5-inch 3-way component set. So I got the nice set that goes in the door. We'll get them out of here in a second, and I can show you. Right there it is. That'll go in the door panel. Point the two tweeters and mid-range up, and then the other mid-range will go down there towards the bottom of the door. So we're going to go ahead and be putting those in. I'm going to go ahead, for right now, we'll just go ahead and let the truck cool off a little bit. I'll go ahead and throw a set of speakers in here so we just see what they look like. All right, guys, there they are. They look pretty good. They look really good. It fit really well. You do have to do a little bit of work to get them to fit. I had to take my straight angle grinder here with a little sand drum on it and clean them up. Gave me a good chance to really try out my new straight angle grinder that I got. I haven't actually had that for a while. I haven't had any reason to try it, so worked perfect for this. I had to trim out the tweeter and the mid-range with a 3-inch, and then the 6.5 woofer, mid-range woofer fit perfectly. Now, they run and look really good without the bezels on, but I have a 3- and 5-year-old. So, yeah, with a 3- and 5-year-old, they like to poke the center of speakers out and flatten them down. And I hate that. So that's why they've got bezels on them. And at some point in the future, when they grow up a little bit, I might take these off. But, yeah, I think they don't look too bad. There's a little bit of gap. This grill is a bit bigger than the bump on the cover as well, but I don't think it looks too bad. I think they will look pretty sick in there in the doors right now. So let's go ahead and I'll show you what the stock looks like. This looks like a standard stock door panel. Yes, my poor seat. I do need to get a new cover and cushion for that, and that would make this thing look a lot better. I also need to go through and clean it. It's like I said, it's a Daliy. It gets full of trash. I have kids. It's full of trash. But yeah, here's the stock set up here. It doesn't have stock. It doesn't have any tweeters, and it has a set of Kicker Marines that I have. And I'm going to go ahead and probably move those to the rear. I don't know if that'll happen today, but I got to find a place to put the crossover. Probably going to do back in here. There's a pretty good amount of room underneath this armrest and stuff right here to do it. So I'll go ahead and hang on, pull this door panel off, do this side first. Go ahead and kill the lights to save on the battery. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and pull that apart. The amplifier running this is a JAD 804, and then I have two 1200 by ones, or my monoblock JADs as well. I don't have any subs in it right now. I'm really considering getting the quad box, the quad L7 box by Kicker, and putting them in this. I think it would sound really good in this, and maybe update the sub amps at some point, but the door channel amp is going to be plenty for the set of those three, or for them 3-ways, so she should sound pretty good. I'm going to go ahead and get this tore off, and we'll go ahead and get this swapped out. All right, guys, well, I got it serviced out, and I can tell already we still have a low oil pressure, which I figured it was gonna. This thing's been getting low. I think it needs either a pickup O-ring, an oil pump, or the cam bearings are getting shot, or all three. It's hard telling. But yeah, I got it serviced out, so at least it's good. I did put a little thicker oil in there, so if it is actually got a little low oil pressure, maybe, and there's some Lucas in there, 2 oil stabilizers. Hopefully that keep everything nice and tacky, and if it does run a little low, it shouldn't hurt it. Most of the time, it still holds 20 pounds running down the road. So, and I mean, you get up into 4,000 RPM, it's over 40. So, I mean, it builds oil pressure. It's got it. So, it just needs some love here. I may yank the motor out of it this summer if I get something else better to drive around here, and do oil pump O-ring, and might look into the cam bearings, and if they're completely shot, I might put cam bearings in it. And then if I'm there, I might as well check the rest of the bearings, and you know. But yeah, the joys of owning an LS. But the speakers are in, and the speakers look really good. Look at that. Oh, they look nice. Nice CT sounds there. Yeah, they're lined up this way. I kind of wanted them lined up that way because I think they look better. They kind of follow the direction of the panel itself, or like the panel they're in. But I think they look good. They sound good, so that's really what I was looking for, something to put a little bit more sound than them kickers. Like I said, they're going to go in the back doors, I think, eventually, or I'll get another set of CT sounds and stick back there. We'll see. I don't know yet. I got to give this thing a total detail inside and out. That's not going to happen today. I'm running out of time as it is, so I'm going to go ahead and get out of here tonight and call it a night. But now that I got everything serviced, new air filter in it. The other one wasn't horrible, but it was still pretty dusty, so I went ahead and replaced it. It had 12,000 miles on it, 2 oil changes. So, yeah, it's right there, a little dusty. So I figured I went ahead and changed that. I had one. And the oil's changed, greased the front end. And yeah, so basic maintenance is all done. But yeah, I thought I'd just get you guys a quick little video for Wednesday here. I haven't had much time to work at the shop. I know it's been an excuse for like a year and a half now, but it's the truth. So hopefully soon we'll be able to spend a lot more time in here. But yeah, who knows. Anyways, guys, hope you guys have a good rest of the week. If you aren't subscribed and you stuck around this long and you like this content, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you would like to also hit that bell notification button too, that helps, because I notice YouTube with a lot of creators, I'll see them, they post a video and I don't know about it until like a week later because it never showed up on my feed. So if you hit that bell notification button, you'll be notified when I do drop the post. And go ahead and get that like, favorite, all that stuff. And yeah, we'll catch you guys in the next one. Have a good rest of your week. I think I said that already. Catch you guys later.